Morning. Just out on fixing a leak on a low slope 412 roof. I can see that it's the ridge vent that is leaking. So there's two problems here. One is the type of ridge vent that they decided to use, and number two, it's the way the ridge vent was installed. You can tell that somebody, they started putting the caps on properly. When you put ridge vent on, you change the way that you cap. You don't sit on your caps as you're going along. You don't want to sit on it or touch it and flatten it out. So that's what happened here. So take a look. So see how it's got a little bit of a rounded curve? That's fine, right? That's how it's supposed to look. Then you get down this ridge line right here. See how it's starting to flatten out? It's almost like putting caps on a flat roof, basically. This over here is flattening right out. So what that's doing, it's allowing the water to sit on top of the caps, and it's running underneath. It's going through the nail heads, and then because of the type of ridge vent that they're using, it's not waterproof at all. So water gets in there, it's going to go right through it. Like I said, it's almost like a steel wool type of material, right? So if you're going to be on a low slope roof and you're going to put a ridge vent on, make sure you at least use like snow country where it's waterproof before you even put the caps on, especially with these kind of slopes. So this is what we're looking at. Like, you come in here so you get an idea. See how the nails are rusty? See the water? You can see the water saying it's just backing up, going in the back of these caps, just like that. Come over to the front here. Look at this, see how flat that is? Super flat. The water's running right down in there. So we're gonna have to rip off this ridge vent and get him an upgraded one. Hopefully it works out a little bit better for him. So for now, until we get back here with the ridge vent, I'm just gonna seal it up for now, just to stop the water from coming in until we can get back here and put on an upgraded kind of ridge vent.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.
This is all I did, just to tie him over for a week or two until I can get back here and put a good ridge vent on for him.